Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload pictures to eBay. We'll walk through the process from the eBay homepage to adding photos to your listing, with tips to make your images look their best. Start by opening your web browser and going to ebay.com. e.com. On the top right of the homepage, look for the Sell option. This takes you to eBay's selling tools where you can start a new listing. Click Sell, then choose List an Item. You'll see a field where you can describe what you're selling. Type the name of your item, like a brand and model if you know it. eBay will suggest matches to help categorize your listing and pre-fill details that buyers expect to see. Select the suggested item that best matches yours. Choosing a close match helps your listing show up in the right searches and can speed up the setup. When you've picked the sample item, click Continue to move ahead. Next, choose the condition of your item. Be accurate and honest here. Select options like new, used, or refurbished as appropriate. A clear condition helps manage buyer expectations and can reduce returns. After making your selection, click. Continue again to proceed to the full listing form. Now it's time to add photos. In the Photos section, click Upload from Computer. A file window will open so you can browse to the folder where your images are saved. Navigate to your sample picture and select it. Then click Open to begin the upload. As your photo uploads, keep a few best practices in mind. Use clear, well-lit images with a neutral background. Show the front, back, sides, and any notable details or flaws. eBay supports common formats like JPG and PNG, and higher resolution images help buyers zoom in. If available, use the built-in tools to crop, rotate, or adjust your images so they're clean and centered. You can also add multiple photos for a more complete view and reorder them so the best one appears first as your main image. If the upload takes a moment, that's normal. Larger files may need extra time. Avoid navigating away until you see the thumbnail appear. If you run into an error, try a smaller file size or a different format, then upload again. And once your photo appears, you've successfully added an image to your eBay listing. You can continue refining your listing details, save your draft, and come back later, or proceed to publish when everything looks right. That's it. Your picture is now uploaded and ready to help your item stand out.